May 16th, 2021. This is Bird's Eye View School. Opened in 1909 and closed in 1960. Not quite sure where we are as far as the Saskatchewan map, but we're in the southern end of Saskatchewan, near Davidson, Saskatchewan. So not far from Mower or Moore, depending on how you pronounce it. Anyway, she's really beat up. Still got its front door and the hinges. And it's still got the glass windows, believe it or not. They're just boarded up. So that's a rarity. They're usually just boarded up because they're smashed in. But these ones still have their windows intact. So yeah, and a really nice day here in Saskatchewan. We sure got lucky here.